Uttar Pradesh.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I am a student or stops selection commission. My age is 22 years.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, my English is not very good. I understand, uh, but I can't speak English in a fluent way.
Yeah, you are speaking better than me. How can you say you can't speak? I don't believe you.
No, 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 sir. No, Defin. I understand, but I can't speak.
I can do a poll in the meeting right now, and if anybody can say that you can't speak English, okay, no worries. So, a very good morning to all the people here. My name is Dipen Jain, and I am a part of Bangalore SHG group. And today we are having our Toastmasters meeting, and I will hand over the stage now to our Toastmaster of the day, Rahul Hirani. So, Rahul, the stage is all yours.
Thank you, Dipin.
Rahul, your audio needs a bit of work. There is some noise.
Actually, uh, some uh, uh, construction work is going on
Okay.
opposite to my home. That's why.
Uh-huh. Okay. So, do you have a
And
headphone which can help
uh,
better?
wait, just give me
Yeah,
a
just
moment.
try that out because it will be too noisy for people to hear. And Soma, I always wonder, is this lab or what? Where you sit? I can see some instruments in the background.
Yeah, it's my lab.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Yeah, actually, in my lab, Wi-Fi is good, and in my hostel, it is fluctuating, and I keep my laptop in lab only. So I don't carry my laptop to my room. So I thought ki I will go to lab and attend the meeting.
Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, so Rahul, have you got your headphones now? You want to
Yeah, yeah.
go for audio
Is
video
it
check?
uh, is it better now?
Perfect. It seems
Somewhat.
better, lot better. Yes. So
All
the
right.
stage is
Thank
all
you.
yours.
And Dipin, just one thing more I would like to check with you. So I'm not uh, 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 getting the option to change my virtual background. So I don't know
For
why. I
that, what
mean,
you need to do is you need to go to the video option. When you go to video,
yeah, yeah,
um, you know the
I
options,
know
right?
that. Yeah, yeah, I
Mm-hmm.
know how to do it, but I'm
Okay.
not getting that that option itself. So that's why I'm
Where
a
are you
bit
stuck? Where are you stuck? You
confused.
don't have an option to choose virtual background.
Yeah,
That's what you are
yes,
saying.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay. I don't know whether the version of Zoom is it needs
Yeah,
an
might be
update.
then.
Mm-hmm.
Could be then.
Okay.
That might be the thing with this
Mm-hmm.
laptop. Uh,
Uh, okay. I think we
so,
are on 11 or
can I
9.
do
Yeah.
one thing?
Sure.
Yeah, so can I do one thing then? I can just uh, clap when when you will be you will be you will uh, cross uh, 3 minutes. So will it
Um,
be fine? Or
I think the individual speech slots, it'll be for 4 to 6 minutes.
yeah,
So
yeah.
at the end of 4 minutes, you can give one clap, 5 minutes, two clap,
All
and
right.
6 minutes, three
And
clap. That way you can do.
all right, that
Or in the
should
phone
be
also, you may be
great.
having an option to, yeah, clap will do, or in the phone, if there is any ringtone or any loud buzzer sound which you can play. So anything should be fine.
All right, I'll
Okay.
do that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So it is 11 or 10. I would hand over the stage to you. So the stage is all yours, Rahul.
thank you. So, hi and welcome to today's virtual SHG. So, you might be knowing today is November 1, and November 1 marks the onset of winters here. Now, I know you must be having loads of wintry and uh, uh, cozy childhood uh, memories like winter vacations or that hot Maggie of winters and whatnot. So that's why winters are always known to be the happiest season, and uh, and this is why today's theme is happiness. So uh, I will uh, 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 brief you with the structure of the meeting. So at first, uh, we will start uh, with the uh, 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 with the speeches. Then we will move to the table topic uh, s- uh, s- uh, session, which will be 2 minutes on the spot speech, and which will be taken by our today's table topic master, uh, uh, Kirtan. Then uh, our uh, our veteran speaker Dinesh will be uh, 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 presenting with his third uh, session of the uh, communication series, and and at last uh, Soma will be uh, 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 giving the evaluation for for all the speakers. So that's how our next 2 hours will look like. So I think then uh, we can start with our first speech of the day. So I can invite Alok on the stage. So Alok Kumar, hit and a trial. Hit and a trial. Alok Kumar. Alok,
Okay, thank you, Rahul.
the stage is all yours now.
Okay, thank you, Rahul. So, good morning, my dear fellow TISA members. So, my name is Alok, and this is my first speech here. So, hit and trial is a mathematical method of solving the problems. So most of us, so most of you guys are now thinking that I'm going to explain here any mathematical problem. So no, it's not. Uh, it won't be that much boring. Please bear with me. So guys, so what do you do when you shop any item online or offline? So tell me, what do you do usually? Soma, please tell.
In my pastime.
No, no, just usually when you shop any item like online
Okay.
or
Yeah.
offline.
What kind of things I shop?
No, like what you do, like your shopping behavior.
Okay. Then I will just search randomly and pick up anything. Then we'll do the trial.
Okay, okay. Uh, Now I'll ask to Tarun. So Tarun Mishra, I think he's not available. So, so I think, Soma, one thing you missed that we usually try the things and then buy. Like in online, we order and then try. If it is good, we keep, and otherwise we return. So, so the very first behavior is try and then buy. Okay, so it's very simple. Like it's not the rocket science. Try and buy. Okay, so guys, why we accept our life as it is, just by thinking that it might be a bad luck, or the God only want this. Why we should try every possible options and then move forward. Either we succeed or fail, at least we experience. So why I'm taking too much time on the experience? Because experience is the key. So so guys, so in that process we might be slower than others, but it's okay. Who cares the speed? No one asks the speed, how fast or slow we were in our process. Everyone is interested on the final results only. Nobody is interested on the minute details of our life. So guys, please uh, uh, please try all the options and then move forward. Okay, so now in my life I have tried all possible options. So let me explain. After my schooling, I should have joined the JE coaching, because my most of the classmates were doing so. But JE coaching was not the good experience in my home, due to my elder brother, and I have read a lot about Delhi University. So I thought that why should not I try this? So then I chose BSc in Delhi University. Okay, after my BSc, I should have joined the IS coaching because my family want this. And but I have grown enough interest in physics, so I joined MSc Physics. After my MSc, my family want that I should have prepared for the government examination, and at least now I should earn the money. So, but I have cleared the GATE examination, and I wanted to try the IIT. So, and in the PhD, I will be getting the PhD fellowship as well. So I chose a PhD in IIT. After during my PhD, I should have keep writing the research papers like most of my batchmates were doing so. But I wanted to try the industry as well. So I searched for the industry and I joined GE Research Bangalore for a short internship. And so, and that's not it. That's not the thing, Miss. That's not the final. So finally, I should have always been afraid from the public speaking because of my stammering. But no, I did not. I'm giving this speech with you guys, and you guys will tell either I succeed or fail. So that's it. So that's it from me. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Alok. Uh, 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 Seems like you always have been very uh, sorted of what you wanted. So we will
Yes.
move on to our next speaker for the day, Chandan Shanbag. What, uh, what pandemic has taught me? What a pandemic has taught me, Chandan Shanbag.
Yes, thank you, Rahul, and good morning, guys. Today, I will be giving a speech and I will be explaining you about the things which I learned from this pandemic. Just a couple of days back, I was looking at calendar. So it was October 29th. So a thought came across my mind how quickly the time has passed away. This year, it was like January, February, March, and then directly October. And now we are in November. So, uh, I remember my college gave a holiday for a week, and overnight I became the a, 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 alumni of the college. I was virtually graduated. I didn't get the farewell party. I had a lot of expectations, but things don't go as planned, right? It is life. So, uh, so I would like you all to describe 2020 in a single word in the chat box. Go on, guys. Okay, Dipin, you think it as a blessing? Great. Disaster, Kirtan, unpredictable. Great, guys. Blessing in disguise, yes. This is perfect. Blessing in disguise or beginning of new era. So before this COVID, my life was like an autopilot. I would wake up in the morning, I would go for a jog, because if I don't go for a jog, then I will stammer more. Then I would come back and practice my speech and go for my office where I was doing internship. Then I would come back in the evening and I would watch web series. I was not spending enough time with my family or with my parents. So this pandemic has made me realize what is more important, and the thing which is most important is friends and family. And earlier I took these things for granted, but now I realized it's important, and even this lockdown has made me learn to live with the bare minimum. So guys, I guess that you all have learned new things in this pandemic. And before this COVID, my aim was to get a job, and I was satisfied by it. But now I came to know about various competitive exams for various government jobs, and I never thought of trying for a government job, but now I'm well aware of it. So guys, I know this time was this year has been very hard for you all. And I hope that you all have learned new things. Yes, and new things means specifically, I mean that the things which you want. Yes, uh, uh, earning your bread is important, but it is equally important to do the things which your heart wants. It can be learning a new music lesson, or it can be spending time uh, with your loved ones which you would like to, but you didn't have the time. And now, guys, it was never about the time. The thing is, it was about our priorities. In this world, we have everything at our fingertips. So people have lost their virtue of patience. People don't appreciate things which they have. They just cry about the things which they don't. and this time was very hard for all of us. Even in media, those journalists were showing a single thing, and they were increasing anxiety amongst the people. Whole day they are like COVID, pandemic, COVID. So, but we have positive things to take away from this time, and the thing which I realized is to appreciate the life, to love the life, and I think I will take this forward for a long time. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Chandan. That was
Thank you, Raj.
that was indeed a great take on what we have been through. So next, I'll move to one of our veteran speakers, Dipin. So, uh, 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 Dipin, uh, the gifted dwarf, the gifted dwarf, Dipin Jain.
My school friends used to call
Dipin,
me.
you can start. Yeah, sorry.
My school friends used to call me gifted dwarf. We all are gifted, but mine are a bit special. Thank you, Toastmasters, Toastmaster Rahul, and all my fellow Toastmaster and guests. May I ask you all, how many of you here are 5'10" or above? If I can see some hands, please. Let me tell you, I hate you guys. Ask me why. Well, I had a long time wish to wrap around the shoulder of my friend, look him into his eyes, and say, Chotu, एक cup चाय लेकर आना. Just get me a cup of tea. Well, I am 5'5". Okay, 5'4". No, I am 5 feet 4.25 inches. But all my friends, they are way taller than me. And any attempt to fulfill my long-term wish, it feels that as if I am being airlifted. Even my girlfriend parents, they did not approve of me because I and my girlfriend, we both were of same height. Poor people. They did not believe in equality. I have one more special gift. I occasionally stammer. Well, stammering is okay as long as I could choose those occasions. You know, the real problem starts when we end up saying what we don't have to say. Most stammerers, they have problem in calling out their names. And my name is Dipin Jain, and I am no exception. Anybody from ICSE school here? If I can see some hands. Show off, guys. ICSE people, they like to show off a lot. Well, oh, I can see one hand, Vikrant. So yes, show offs. Well, I am also from ICSE board, and our English is too good. For the same reason,
Keep going
I
on.
took up.
Keep going.
Thank you. For the same reason, I
Keep going on.
decided
Keep going on.
to take tuitions during 12th standard. I searched and found out a good English tutor of my town. The first day, I stepped in. The moment I opened the doors, I saw a garden of beautiful faces. My jaw dropped and I was staring at them. Suddenly, a voice caught my attention. What is your name, dear? And I was like, my I am my name is the Asutosh. Asutosh? Asutosh is the name of my school friend. And I just said it because it was easy to say, not because it was my name. Needless to mention that those people still identify me as Asutosh. How many of you here have walked up to a stranger to ask him or her out on a date? Anybody? Well, I have my own reasons for not trying that. Here I can see our TMOD. I have my own reasons for not doing that. But I did get lucky during my school time when one of my school friend walked up to me and revealed that the most beautiful girl of my class and the school is interested in me. Yes. This time I decided to gather the courage and walk up to her to ask her out on a date. And I was like this. Dear, would you like to go out on a date with Asutosh? Asutosh? Not again. Ah, I was losing my identity, my girlfriend, and God knows what more I have to. Well, this is not enough. Can anybody out here guess my age? You can post your answers in the chat window and I will come back to you. Fast forward a few years, in the year 2014, I went to attend the wedding of my sister-in-law. There, I was rocking the dance floor. Then, the groom noticed me, and with a suspicion, he inquired, "Who is this boy? And what is he doing with the bride?" Huh. To all the people, I am a married man, and I have an 80-year-old son. But people, they don't take me seriously because of my looks. Friends, whether it is my height, my stammer, or my childish looks, all these imperfections have made me strong, humble, and compassionate. And it keeps me on my toes to prepare better than the rest. All the people here, if you are also hung up on something similar, I would say make peace with it and you will come out as a better person. And it is also okay to laugh at yourself because if you don't, then people will laugh at you. But if you do, people will laugh with you, like you all are laughing here with me. Thank you, Toastmaster of the Day, and over to you.
Uh, Thanks a lot, Dipin. Uh, uh, you left us all speechless, to be honest. Uh, all right, then we're gonna move. Uh, shit. uh, 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 to our next uh, s- uh, uh, session for the day, and that is table topics. So, Keertan, can we uh, have you on stage? Keertan, your voice is not audible.
Can you
Yes, yes, yes.
hear me now?
Yeah, yeah. But it's very low.
Okay.
So you might
Give
need
me a
to.
second.
Stay.
1 second.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Uh,
Yeah, better now.
is this better?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, Keertan.
Yeah. Okay.
The stage is
Okay.
all yours now. Yeah.
Thank you, Rahul. Thank you for the the help with the microphone. So the session now is called as table topics, but in simple words, we can call it as an impromptu speaking session. What is going to happen is that I will ask for volunteers or call out some of your names and give you the topics, and you will be getting 1 to 2 minutes to speak on that. So for the first topic, do we have any volunteers? Yeah, Rakesh. So Rakesh has volunteered for the first topic. So Rakesh, your topic is uh, which who is your favorite mythological character? Rakesh, who is your favorite mythological character?
Yes, thanks, Kirtan. My mythological, I mean, favorite mythological character is Ram. So yes, so yeah, so I have been watching, this Ramayana from since a long time, early in the uh, childhood bit. So at that time, I was very interested in those characters that Rama has played. So I mean, Rama is a wonderful person, and as a god, we know that he is the most, you know, famous among the all the gods, and kind of de- devotees that we have for those person is too, too many are there. So being a favorite mythological character, we always admires his beautiful part of his characters. Like he was not just a single, a simple person, but he has his, you know, yeah. So that's what, he has all of those characters that is ideal for one. Like he was true to his uh, sayings and all. So being all these, we it really means admire them, and it is wonderful to follow their follow means on their path. So yeah, that is what we admire about the character. And in the real life, we should try to follow all of those things. Okay. So yeah, I think so. That is all about what I like about the character, and we have to follow their paths. I think so. That's all.
Thank you, Rakesh. That was a great speech. Do we have a volunteer for the second topic?
Kirtan, I think
Anyone?
few people have raised their hands in Zoom. From there, you can check, and I would encourage others also to raise hands in Zoom. And Kirtan can call out the names from there.
Yeah. I can see Pankaj. So Pankaj, your topic is, so this particular topic, this is related to the theme. So what is happiness? According to you, what is happiness? According to you, Pankaj.
Okay. Mm, Thank you, Kirtan, for giving me this opportunity. Uh, uh, for me, for me, for me, happiness, happiness, happiness is 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 a is a is a is the कि when we have we have we have जो हमारे सपने होते हैं या फिर जो जो कभी कभी जो हमारी नीड होती है वो वे नीड जब जब हमारी 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 वो कंप्लीट हो जाती है आई थिंक मेरे लिए हैप्पीनेस वो है मतलब है जो भी हम अंदर से कुछ भी करना चाहते हैं वो चीज कंप्लीट करने में वो है वो हैप्पीनेस है अपने अपने एनवायरनमेंट को एनवायरनमेंट को साफ रखना वो उसमें हैप्पीनेस है अगर अगर बाय दूसरे कोई ये कोई सेकंड एंड थर्ड पर्सन ये जब जब कुछ गलत स्टेब्लिश करके वो वाली चीज को सही 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 बताना चाहता है तो क्या वाले वाले जो एक उसकी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है वो वाले को चेंज करना ये हैप्पीनेस है I think this is happiness from my side.
Great speech. Thank you, Pankaj. For the third topic, we have Dipanjan. So,
Yes.
Dipanjan, the topic for you is just go back to your 15-year-old self. So at that age, what did you really want from your life? So share with us what did you really want at the age of 15 years?
Yeah, thank you for the topic. Um, if you say like I have to go back 15 years back and I can see myself as a 15-year-old kid. So first thing, like everything was so simple at back that point of time, without any worry, without any thinking too much, complex relationships, nothing was there, right? Everything was so simple, like uh, if the other person in cities beside me, that person is becoming my friend, just like that. uh, so not too much of thinking. It's like I am enjoying myself in the current state. It's just like that. I don't have to worry what I did yesterday. Even if I miss to do my homework, I would not think about it tomorrow. It is as that simple. Like tomorrow, maybe I will again forget to do that homework, but I will not be concerned about that. I will laugh with my friends. Even my teacher, give me a punishment to go outside with my class, I would want my other friends who's also come with me, so that we could enjoy together outside the class. So life was pretty simple back then. uh, you know uh, no hankering after money. Money was so simple. Like we used to get hardly 5 rupees, 2 rupees at that point of time. We would have Golgappa with that thing. Like it was very fun to share, to buy a bunch of Golgappas and something like this and share among all us friends. Samosas, going to canteen and all of these things. So uh, the want from life was pretty much simple. What I want to share, there was no demand. Say, there was only uh, you know uh, playing around and all those things, like and also, yeah, so life was pretty much simple back then. And yeah, that's all I can say right now. Yeah. Thank you.
Dipanjan, thank you for reminding all of us of our childhoods and the quality of simplicity that we all possessed at that age. So for the
Thank you.
next topic, we have Vigneshwar. Before I give the topic to Vigneshwar, I would want to call for more volunteers. So if you want to give a table topic speech, then please raise your hand on the Zoom. So the topic for you, Vigneshwar, is what is your most ambitious dreams? What is your most ambitious dream? Vigneshwar.
Yes, yes. Myself, Vigneshwar. Thanks for giving this topic. My my am- my ambitious dream was I based on my um, currently I want to give uh, I want to visit the other country places to other country places uh, uh, the mountain places with the friends, school friends, and I want to visit. That is dream, and also to help based on my view, to help based on how much I want to give the help to the society after a certain age. In the in reaching the after a certain age, I want to be free in the family, to spend time with the family instead of work. No need to not always go to the belongs behind the money. Need to spend time and make the priorities to the relations around us, and uh, give better to the all over the society. And uh, uh, and and also I also wish to go outside and to visit the new places I like to do, like nearby my places, or to wherever I go, I want to visit the new place. Like I saw in the I not I'm in South India. I not went out the North India places. So North India more places will to more places like Shiva temples, and the mountain places all are in Simla, are the good places to visit. I saw in the most are to some people went to that places to for the ride and visit to feel the places around surrounding. So I like to go and see the how the people in the places, and to share my and I want to go with my what my suitable of my close friends and of our family. I like to go. Okay, thank you. That's all.
Great, Vigneshwar.
Okay.
So presently, due to the time limit, I have one last topic with me. So for that, I'd like to give a chance to the people who haven't spoke until now. So we have some volunteer for that. Dheeraj, would you like to try? Dheeraj?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So your topic is, let's say that you have a time machine. So which is the place that you would want to go back through, and who is the person in the past or the future who you would like to meet? So say that you have a time machine, which is the place that you would want to go back or front to, and who is the person that you would want to meet? So did you get the topic?
Yes, yes, I
Dheeraj?
get the topic. So if I have the time machine, I want to go to the school time where I enjoyed the school time, and I want to meet all those school friend, and I enjoy school time again.
Yeah. Great, great. So with that, we have come to the end of the table topics session. A big round of applause to all the speakers. Hope you all enjoyed it, and I hand it back to Rahul.
Thank you so much, Kirtan. Those were indeed very, very, very good topics, and we are always happy uh, to see you when you participate, Kirtan. So thank you for that. So uh, Uh, shit. Uh, Next, we will be moving to our our third session of the of the day, and before that, I would uh, request 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 all of you to uh, to uh, 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 take out your notebooks and 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 a pen, because uh, because uh, because uh, this will be going to be uh, one of the most uh, one of the most uh, knowledgeable sessions. So uh, so uh, Dinesh, uh, can we have you on stage?
Rahul, I'm here. Thanks, Rahul.
Yeah,
Good
over
afternoon, everyone.
to you.
Hope everyone is doing good. So, in this series, this is the third session of the series, and there's a definite link to each session that is happening. The first session was the power of your word. Your word creates your world. The second session was about what is the Brahmastra, and the third session which we will do now is the part of the series. So some of you are new, and this is the holistic approach that I'm talking, which will help you communicate more effectively in a better way, in an effortless way. So it's a holistic approach that we're trying to have to deal stuttering. So if you have missed the earlier two sessions, all the sessions that I'm talking, they are like small pieces of the jigsaw puzzle. So don't take all this session in a standalone manner. So if you have missed the first session, try to go back and have a look at it. Have a look at the second session. And now we'll proceed into the third session. So today's topic is uh, the importance of language as a medium of expression. The first two session gradually lead up to this. In the last session, we talked about knowledge. And now we come to language as a medium of expression. So what do I mean by that? Why is language so important? See, if you know something, if you have knowledge about something, but if you're not able to express it, then it is as good as you not knowing it. So it's paramount that you should be able to express what you know. If you cannot express it, it is as good as you don't know. In the SHG and in several other forums, we come across one common sharing which is shared by PWS, that I knew the answer, but I could not communicate it because of my stuttering. That is not true in most cases. Knowing the answer is a different thing, and to be able to communicate the answer is a different thing. So we are trying to address the latter, that what it is needed to communicate the language. So we will get there, but first of all, you need to understand, make yourself aware that how much is communication important in our daily lives. See, not only from a commercial point of view, in the sense that the language is important in academics, the language is important when it comes to your career, moving on, but also to lead a very fulfilling life. You know, if you are able to express yourself well, you tend to live a fulfilling life. If you know many things, if you know what has to be done or how it has to be done, but you cannot express it, that leaves you with a frustrating feeling. You should equip yourself to be able to express what you want. That is why language is paramount. It's a Language is a gift in itself. When I say gift, uh, see, animals communicate through sounds. They send out sounds through communicate, but we as humans are equipped to such an extent that we can communicate stories in a more powerful way than the actual event itself which would have occurred. That's the power of language, that's the power of communication. So you should really appreciate it as a gift that we alone as have, and try to do everything in your side to take it to the next level. So first step is try to understand, become aware, let this sink in, that to lead a happy life, it is essential that you are able to express yourself better, express yourself completely. Let's try to address the second part of the discussion. Now, to be able to express yourself well, how can you do it? What are the 2-3 simple steps which will help you to improve your language, to help you express yourself better? 2-3 simple steps. Any suggestions or anything that you want to type it out or voice it out? What do you think? How can you improve your language? Let me just put it in a very simple way.
Read.
Okay. Read.
Yeah, to have a very strong vocabulary. So the first point which you said, right, read. So it helps us to build that.
Using body language and non-verbal communications.
Okay. Good. See, first thing is, if you want to improve your communication, uh, the very first thing is involve yourself completely, totally into what other person is sharing. It may be a technical training, or or might be someone is expressing something and you're listening. It can be as good as simply watching a movie. Involve yourself totally and completely. Observe. You know, kids, how do they pick up the language? No one teaches them grammar, no one teaches them anything. They are just there. Even when they're playing with any toy, they're immersed in it. And when you're talking, when adults are talking, they're immersed in the talking. So be immersive in your experience. That is the fastest and the quickest way to pick up the language. Give your attention totally. Keep your phone aside when something important is happening, be it at office or any other event. Switch off the data, keep your phone aside, and give yourself totally. That time, let only one thing happen. Secondly, yes, when is the last time you people would have looked up the meaning of any word? The first and foremost is observation and to give yourself totally. When that is done, whatever you don't know, you should look up the meaning of it. Try to imbibe a practice where you learn at least one new word per day. Minimum one new word per day. And as a SHG practice in our weekly meetings, to put across this point and not to forget it, I think most of the Toastmaster meetings have it, where they have word of the day or word of the week, where they just take up one word and they share the meaning of it. That's all. So we can imbibe this practice in our weekly meetings, where the Toastmaster of the day introduces one word every week, and this is just a reminder that a simple practice like one word a day can take you a long way. See, what happens is, what I've seen, uh, I'll put this in Hindi. That's the best way I can communicate this point across. मुश्किल से 4 वर्ड आते हैं हमको भाई, नो मुश्किल से 4 वर्ड आते हैं और उसको भी फ्लुएंटली बोलना है. We hardly know 4-5 words, hardly, और उसको भी अच्छे से बोलना है. You know, there was this nice WhatsApp video, this a satirical on Modi, that they have built so many toilets, but there's no food to eat. तो खाएगा इंडिया तो ही तो जाएगा इंडिया. On the similar lines, अंदर कुछ भी नहीं है. You don't have anything much to express. What will you express? 4-5 वर्ड को लेके क्या खिचड़ी पकाओगे? Then thirdly is read. I cannot stress enough on reading. It's a complete topic in itself, reading. If you read how Abhinav Bindra won his gold medal, if you read the difficulties of Abdul Kalam, what he went through, you will not only learn the language, what they've used, but also their stories. No, life is very short to commit all your mistakes by yourself. One book can give you a wisdom of 5 years, 10 years, sometimes even a wisdom of a lifetime. Don't wait for you to commit all your mistakes and then learn from it. Already people have committed many mistakes. Learn from them. Read books. And fourth is speak. Whatever you have learned in first three steps: observe, totally involved, learn what you don't know, read. Then fourth is speak. Speaking comes the last. But we always put the cart before the horse and we speak. We always follow ulta approach. That way we hardly go anywhere. Let the river flow in the path of least resistance. Don't go uphill, go downhill. And if you want to go downhill, there's a gradual process which you have to take, the path of least resistance. That is what we are talking all the way in all the sessions. So observe, learn what you don't know, read, and then speak. That's the main content which I had to share. Just want to share few lines which I had written some time ago. Let me share my screen. Can someone enable this, please?
Yeah, Dinesh, if you can try now. I have made you the host.
Okay. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
There was a blog written by someone in TISA blog earlier. It was there, and to that blog, the person talked about the kind of efforts that he was putting to gain fluency. This This came in as a response to that blog, that this came in at that time without much effort. So I put this here because this captured the gist of everything that we have covered so far and also what we have covered today. Sometimes I accept that I cannot win people with my words, but I will try to win people with my deeds. Sometimes I accept I will fumble, but I will try not to fumble on the commitments I make. This was the gist of the first session, if you remember, the power of your word. I will forgive myself if I cannot speak well, but I will never forgive myself if I do not strive to write well. This is the crux of today's session, improving your language skills. No, people can hardly express themselves in writing, but they first try speaking, then writing. You should follow a gradual sequence. First, you attempt to write well, wherever you are, whatever your skills are. Some of you would be already writing well, but try to take it to the next level where you're writing paragraphs. Try to reach a level where you can put across your thoughts in one line, two line, in a precise, concise, clear way. See, remember one thing, what you speak is lost in thin air. No one remembers. But what you write is there forever. It is eternal. What you write is stays forever. So that's how important is writing. These two things we will cover in our coming sessions. But anyway, let me just complete the poem. I've been privileged, gifted with an able body and a sane mind, while some of my friends are differently abled and some are of special kind. Sometimes I accept that I cannot be fluent, but in everything else, I will strive to be excellent. Thank you, everyone.
I think there is
Thank you.
Alok waiting in the waiting room. So either Dinesh, if you can make me host back, or allow Alok to enter.
Okay, I've allowed him.
Okay, thank you.
I've made you host. Okay.
Thank you. Also, if you can share the lines which were there on the word sheet, on the word pad.
I think you can post it uh, in the group, Dinesh. That would be very helpful. Is my voice audible? I'm not sure.
Yeah, we can hear you now.
Yes, Rahul.
Just to add,
All right.
so we will post this recording YouTube, right? So we can probably put this poem in the description of that video, so anybody who sees it.
Wonderful. Good idea.
Great idea, Adi. So thank you so much, Dinesh, for always enlightening us with your knowledge, and we really hope to we really hope to take the full, full, full benefit of 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 all your teachings. Thank you. So now next session we'll be moving on to general general evaluation by Soma, and now we're gonna see that who was the best and who needs to work on 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 their speech a bit. So over to you, Soma.
Thank you, TMOT. Yeah, I think my voice is audible.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
But it is a bit low. So if you maybe can hold your microphone near.
Now is this fine?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
somewhat better.
Okay, fine. Uh, so thank you all for giving me the role of general evaluator, and we started the meeting at exactly 11 o'clock. And thank you, Dipin and Tiyamadi, Rahul for that, for maintaining the time. And in the first 6 minutes, Dipin asked the new members for the introduction. Then about 4 minutes we spent on the how the timer role will be played. Then the meeting has been started at 11:10 with the role of TMOD played by Rahul. Okay, so for Rahul, I like the introduction a lot, especially when you gave the example of hot Maggie in the winter season. So I like that a lot. And you also properly explain the meeting agenda, and that helped us to get an idea about the whole meeting. Okay, so one suggestion for you, that you can improve, in fact you may improve your role by putting a bit introduction about the speaker. So I think it was the first speech of Alok. It was a icebreaker speech. So you don't need to give any kind of introduction. It's because it's a speech of his introduction only. But for like Chandan and Dipin, you can just speak two or 1-2 lines, or two or three lines in a very funny way, so that will make the audience engage, and they will know far better about the speaker. So that is a small suggestion from my side. Otherwise you just banged on. It was a great job, and a great applause for Rahul.
Thank you, Soma.
Yeah. Okay. Next, we will go towards the speeches, the prepared speeches. First one was Alok. Alok, are you? Yeah. So hit and trial, and it was your first speech, but I never felt that it was your first speech.
it's because you were so comfortable and so confident. And the best part, I liked that in the very first speech you asked the question to the audience, so that makes the audience to engage on your speech. So that is a very good point. And one bit small suggestion is that around 4 minute or 3 minutes 45 seconds you have started to speak about yourself. So my suggestion is that you may try to deliver a crisp introduction and spend more time on your introduction, you know. And it's because you will get 2 to 3 minutes for your introduction, so that you can focus more. That is small suggestion from my side. Otherwise, it was a fantabulous speech. A great applause
Okay, okay.
for Alok. Yeah.
Thank
Next,
you, Sean. Thanks a lot.
yeah, yeah. Next, we will move towards Chandan. Yeah. So, what pandemic has taught me? I always like the way you speak. It is a very calm and relaxed way. And your content was your speech content was very good. And you have done voice modulation also. It's like you have told covid and pandemic, so that I liked the most. And uh, also in one line it was like, I take this forward for a long time, so you stretch on the long. So you have done the voice modulation in your speech. And just one small suggestion, that you can impose more voice modulation, so that will further improve your speech. Otherwise, it was a great speech, great content. And yeah, obviously pandemic was a blessing in disguise for all of us. So thank you, Chandan, for delivering such a nice speech.
Thank you, Soma.
Yeah. Now to Dipin, the gifted dwarf. Just tell me what is the exact meaning of dwarf?
Dwarf means bona, the person with short height.
Oh, okay, okay. I thought it is a mythological character.
I may look like one.
Okay, okay. So that's the vocabulary proves that you are from ICSS board. Okay. So jokes apart, your speech I liked a lot. You have a great body language, voice modulation, and the way you speak. You always stand up before your speech. And I didn't feel that it was a virtual speech. I was I got that sense that I am standing in Kavan Park or sitting in Kavan Park and listening to you. So it was that much in engaging speech. And I hope the same girlfriend with your height is your wife now. So that I don't know. Yeah. So I like the line that do you want to go for a date with me, Ashutosh. So that is the line, that is the thing that you gave the perfect pause at the perfect time. So sometimes we are so anxious that we forget to give a pause, but this kind of small pauses in speech that will enhance the quality of speech, that I like the most. Or also I like the dramatic way of your speech, like you were playing with your hands, and you were coming towards the camera and going behind, and that's I like the most. Just you can do fine tuning by improving your voice modulation a bit more. So that is a small suggestion from my side. You for that you can record the audio and listen to it, your speech, and just you can improve. Otherwise it was a great speech. Now we will move towards the role of table topic master, played by Kirtan. Yeah. So Kirtan is already a part of Toastmasters Club, and I know he's an expert on this field, and in fact I learn a lot from his speech. Uh, he has like Kirtan has given a very like good and apt for today's theme topics, which was happiness. I like the topics a lot. It was very engaging that people, I think except the last speaker, all of the speakers spoke about in the time range. So sometimes it is there like just we just throw a question which will be a short answer, then the speaker thinks that what I should tell more. So that was not in this case. The topics were very engaging. And just a small suggestion for Kirtan is that when I played the table topic madam role in my Toastmasters Club, I have been guided that you can pick up a point of the previous speaker, and when the speaker will end, then you can start on that line. So I think you did the same with the Dipanjan, no? So that kind of gesture will involve the speaker that yeah, the table topic master is engaging on that topic, and the more and more we do it, that will enhance the role of us, the quality of the role. So that is a bit small suggestion from my side. Otherwise you are already a rock star, and thank you, Kirtan, for your job.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And yeah, so for the overall meeting, as Dinesh suggested, I was also about to tell the same, that we can impose the word of the day, and that we can tell the speakers to include the word in their speeches, so that we can improve. I remembered in the Toastmasters Club, it was just except the icebreaker speeches, all of the speakers, in fact, the table topic speakers also tried to include the word of the day in their speeches, so that we can improve. Otherwise, the meeting went very well, and all of us, like all of the role takers, did remarkable job, and it was indeed a great uh, preparation from all of the speakers. And thank you all for giving me the opportunity to evaluate the meeting. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Uh, s- Soma. That was very detailed uh, 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 evaluation indeed. So, Dipin, you have uh, s- uh, 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 something to share. So please go ahead.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, Rahul. So far, I have received 5 feedbacks, and there are more people in the meeting. So I would urge all the people to cast their votes until the time. Well, I mean, uh, you know, we all use crutch words. This is also called CRPF words. Crutch sounds like repetitive words. I mean, I mean, pauses longer than 5 seconds and filler words. Okay, you know, it's not a huge deal if it happens occasionally, but you already saw how annoying it could be if not checked. I took a very long pause. It was not needed. So, if I could ask people, why does it happen in the first place? To my experience, you might have seen a YouTube video in old times. It keeps loading the information. Our mind, it works in the same way while speaking, connecting one word uh, to another. And this space, to fill in this space, the filler words and the crutch words naturally rush in. How to deal with that? Here are some tips. Keep your sentences short. Period. Use a period or a pause. Take a breath and maintain eye contact. These things will help make your speech more effective. So I would urge and encourage all the people present here to incorporate pauses and the suggestions to make their speech more effective. And that way we could identify and we could make our speeches and meeting from an AHA full meeting to an AHA some meeting. With that, I would share the feedbacks with our Toastmaster of the day, Rahul. And Rahul, you can announce. Uh, just a moment. To Rahul, the best role taker. Rahul, I've shared the best role taker with you. You can announce. Rahul, you got the
I
details?
was on mute.
Okay.
Yeah. I was on mute. I'm sorry. So any guesses for the same? Come on, guys. You have been here.
This time the
All
people,
right. I will.
yeah, the people have voted unanimously
All right.
for
So the best role taker goes to Soma.
Thank you for evaluating the general evaluator.
Nice
Soma
one.
has got a landslide victory with 70% of the votes in favor of her.
Oh my God,
Oh,
that is
thank you.
amazing. All right. So next we'll be moving on to our best table topic. Speaker. So any guesses again? Come on, participate. Guys, I need to hear you. Come on.
Rakesh.
All right, one vote for Rakesh.
There was a tough fight between two contenders.
Yeah,
One got
so should I
50% of the
just...
votes and the other one got 30% of the votes. So it was a difficult choice to make.
Okay. All right. So uh, the best table topic speaker of the day goes to Dipanjan.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And now time for the best speaker of the day. So any guesses, guys?
Pin.
And first of all,
Dipin.
I would really like to uh, to 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 appreciate appreciate all the speakers because 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 I know that 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 it is not an uh, easy job to write to write your to write your a speech and and uh, and uh, and uh, uh, deliver that with all the voice uh, modulation and non-verbal uh, uh, language. So we come back to the best speaker, and I can see many votes for Dipin. So yes, guys, that is our Dipin Jan. And with that, I would like to wrap up this meeting.
Rahul, I'm sorry to
And
interrupt.
yeah,
We
yeah,
also
sure.
have Vikrant. So if
Yeah.
we can ask Vikrant, if you have any
Yeah.
feedback to
Good
share.
evening. Good evening.
Good.
Yeah. Good evening,
Good
Dipen,
afternoon.
Rahul, Soma ma'am, and my all other friends, ma'am. Actually, I joined the TISA just I think 1 or 2 months back. Okay. Before than this, I was not knowing about the TISA. Okay. I am also having the stuttering problem since my childhood, but I am feeling that it is slowly and slowly it is got improving. Okay. So yeah, and this is also my first session of this Toastmaster Club. So I really enjoyed this session, and I'm unfortunate that that I did not participate in this table. What you calling table
Or topic.
speaking or like that?
Table
Table
topic.
topic. Actually, at that time I went to prepare the juice for my kids. Okay, so I'm unfortunate that I did not participate in that what we call in that event. Okay, and all things are awesome. I enjoyed this program very much, especially the talk given by the Dipin. You are really fabulous, wonderful. So I really enjoyed, and from the next time I'm thinking that I will also give some speech, and you may like that speech, and I have to prepare for that one. And one thing that I'm not part of any self-help group. So if you permit, may I become the part of this Bangalore self-help group?
Yeah, sure. So
Yeah.
you can share your phone number in
Yeah.
the chat window, and we can add you into the
Okay.
group.
Yeah, fine.
So
Thank you, Dipen.
how did
Thank
you
you,
know?
Rahul.
Yeah, how did you know
Yeah.
about this meeting if you are not involved in any of the groups?
Actually, no. I am the member of that TISA, that group in Telegram. From there,
Okay.
I came to know about this
Okay.
event.
Yeah. Vikrant, we would love to see your speeches and you taking up more roles in the upcoming meetings. And we will add you to the Bangalore Telegram group. Okay. I think the screen froze for me. Oh shit.